Hey friends, welcome back to your channel Stock Dr. RR. Today I'm excited to share the analysis for this weekend. I can see a lot of upsides in the charts in all indexes, so this video is a must to watch. Before we go ahead and start our analysis for the index and these commodities, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon. You will get the notification of all future videos on this channel. First of all, we will go to the economic calendar and see what are the news coming in the market. So, as I mentioned in the last weekend analysis, Fed interest rate decision is coming on January 31st. That is going to give one more trigger to the market. But looking at current market dynamics, I think market is in a very positive mode. Let's go ahead and see the charts and try to understand. So if you see right now, the future markets are open and they opened with a positive bias. Already, all the indexes are up by almost 0.5%. Nasdaq 100 is opened by 0.6%, Dow Jones by 0.2, S&P 500 by zero point 0.3, Russell by zero point 0.6. So let me share some of my analysis and you can conclude from that. So if you see here, we are going to go a bit past, okay? So you can see here in Jan 2023, from there we saw that one side up move till July 2023, that is almost 6 months, and then the consolidation, and then after the breakout. So this up move was almost 5,000 point. You can see here from the bottom to the top, and then it's a flag breakout. And again, after that, market went up, then consolidated little bit, and then again going up. Now 5,000 points move, right, which is pending. Out of that, you can see that 1,000 point move is done. So almost 4,000 point move is pending in Nasdaq 100. This is the big number, my friends. Try to understand from this charts. Yeah. So this move is pending, and that is a big move. Let's convert this chart into 4 hourly chart. So try to get the levels here. So right now we can see here, last week to go upside. Uh, I gave a downside level also. Market went down and again started going up. So right now you can see here market don't want to stop. Okay, so here I am saying that we can consider as 17,150 to 17,050. This 100 point is a base formation support, and from here the first target is 17,700 and second target is 18,000. That is a short term target that you can see anytime soon. And then there are above levels like 19,000 in the way, 20,000. Those are those are very possible levels, and you will see in coming sessions. So now if we talk about the downside, then if we are breaking below 17,050, then we are going to talk about downside. Otherwise we are not going to talk about downside. If market goes down in this week, we need to understand if it breaks 17,050. If it breaks below that, then we can talk about downside. Otherwise, it's a consolidation after this up move. Consolidation after the up move. Because try to understand one point here. Whenever market give a big upside, after that market gives a consolidation. And that consolidation is always required to give a healthy up move. Means after this, maybe market goes here 17,700 and then again do a consolidation, right? It might come till this point or it might come till this point and again start going up. But ultimately market has to reach 18,000 is the first mark. So this was about Nasdaq 100. Now we are going to talk about Dow Jones. Dow Jones, if you see here, let me reset the price scale. Dow Jones is also have given a good breakout in the last week. We need to understand if Dow Jones doesn't break below 37,800. If it doesn't break below 37,800, then the first target is 39,000, almost 1,000 point move, and then 40,000. These are the two upside targets pending for the Dow Jones. And we will talk, if it goes down below 37,800, then the downside level is at 37,200 and then 36,800. But I don't want to talk about downside because charts looks very strong here. Then we'll talk about S&P 500. For the S&P 500 also, a very solid up move is pending. That up move, we will consider it as a 4850 as a support. Unless and until we don't break below 4850, we are going to talk for the targets of 5,000 and 5,150. These are the two major targets pending for this. If we break below 4850, then also we need to see if it holds the support of 4750. Okay, so 4850 and 4750, these 100 points is a support. If it breaks below that, then we will talk about downside. Otherwise, there is no downside in the market. Then Russell. For the Russell, you can see, we adjust the price scale here for the Russell. So Russell's chart, is pretty impressive. It is pending for a big up move, and this might come soon. Once it breaks 2040, 2050, then you will see these big targets: 2130, 2200, 2250. But right now, it has not break 2050, but it has come from its first support level. It bounced back from there, and it again came into the zone where it might consolidate and then give a breakout. So right now it is trading at 1968. If it trades below 1950, then again the probability is for 1905 and 1865. You can see last week it break below 1950. It touched the first target of 1905 and then again bounced back. So from here now I'm looking for the target of 2045. This will be the first target, and once it successfully break 2045, then there are two major targets coming, that is 2130 and then 2200 and 2250. So friends, this was the fast and quick analysis for all these four indexes, and try to understand if these all indexes are going to show the upside, then definitely the stocks who have the weightages in those index, they are going to give a solid upside. Then we will talk about gold. Gold and silver are not giving that much move at this point of time, but still, uh, if we have any existing position, then we will try to understand what we need to do with the positions. So gold has to trade above 2050 to it has to stay above 2050 to give a further upside of 2100, 2150, and 2200, right? So it needs to cross above 2050. Right now it is trading at 2031, which is at first support. If it doesn't hold 2030, then it can go back towards 2000. Okay, so this was about the gold, and now we will talk the last index, that is silver. Silver currently, if you see here, it is trading near its support area, and that support area is between 22.75 to 22.25. That is 0.50 is the support point, and silver can bounce back any time, and again it will try to cash towards 24. But if it doesn't hold 22.75 and start going down again, then we need to watch for 22.25. If it breaks that, then 21.75. and 21.25. These are the downside target for the silver. And if silver starts trading about 24, then 24.50 and 25.20 are the upside target for the silver. So I'm excited with these all four indexes. They are looking like unstoppable, but at the same time, we need to understand that market is supreme. Any black swan event or any uh, big negative news can hurt the charts. But right now, the charts are looking clean and clear, and they can achieve the targets which we discussed, you know, some time back. And the last but not least, in case you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon, and let's learn and earn together. Thank you, my friends. You have a good one.